friends, welcome to the video Etymology based vocabulary part 4. So today our first word is misanthrope. So last video we saw many positive words: philanthropy, philosophy, philosopher, and in this video we are going to see some negative words. Exactly the opposite of philanthrope is misanthrope. So let's see what is the meaning of misanthrope and how did it originate. So misanthrope is from the root words misane plus anthropos. Just like philanthrope is from philo and anthropos, misanthrope word is derived from the root words misane plus anthropos. So anthropos you already know, its meaning is mankind, and misane means to hate. So misanthrope is some person who hates the mankind. And some of the synonyms of misanthrope will be hater, doubter, cynic, skeptic, loner, egoist, misanthropist. So cynic, it's a very common word. So cynic means a person who always doubts. He does not trust people. So he is a misanthrope. Cynic is exactly not a person who hates mankind, but he does not trust mankind. But it can be said as a synonym of misanthrope. So misanthrope basically means one who hates mankind. It comes from the root word misan, means to hate. The antonyms of misanthrope will be philanthropist, humanitarian, believer. Now let's see other miso words. So misandry. So misandry will be miso plus andros. So in the earlier video also we had seen philander or philanderer. It basically stands for andros, is basically standing for man. So misandros will be, or misandry will be the hatred of man, hatred of men. So hatred of males, bitterness, doubt, sarcasm, pessimism, acrimony. So everything can be said as the synonyms of misandry. So here acrimony might be a new word for you. So acrimony means bitterness. Acrimony can be said as bitterness. So misandry is hatred of males, bitterness, doubt, sarcasm, pessimism, acrimony. Philander you had already seen. It is a person, it is a male who loves, or he is a flirt, he is a lover. So misandry is hatred of males. So hatred of males means basically sarcasm or doubt, pessimism, acrimony, everything can be said. Antonyms of misandry will be confidence, trust, certainty. Our next word is misogynist. So gynist, so gynic or something, G-Y-N, it has something to do with females. I had already told gynecologist is a doctor who treats females. So misogynist is women hater, misine plus gynist. So women hater, one who hates women, can be called a misogynist. And some of the other meanings of misogynist will be anti-feminist, male chauvinist, sexist, and misanthrope. A person who hates women is also a person of mankind. So women constitute about 50% of the population. So one who hates women can be considered a hater of mankind too. So misogynist can be said as a misanthrope too. So anti-feminist, male chauvinist, sexist, and misanthrope. You all might be very familiar with the word male chauvinist. So these are some of the synonyms which can be used for male chauvinist. You can say you are a misogynist, you are talking like a misogynist, or you are an anti-feminist, or you are a sexist. So all these words you can use against those males whom you consider as anti-feminist. Now gynandrous. So gynandrous, so androus is standing for male and gyn is standing for females. So gynandrous is a person who is bisexual or intersexual. So another word or basically a scientific name for bisexual or intersexual person will be gynandrous. So gyn is standing for female and androus is standing for male. So he is having both female and male characteristics. He or she is a gynandrous person. Now misogamy. So misogamy, same, miso is standing for hatred and gamia is standing for marriage or fertilization. So misogamy means it is a hatred of marriage, or here misogamist is a person who will be a marriage hater. Now misology. So already you know logos is standing for knowledge or reason. So mythology means a hatred of reason or knowledge. Then mysticism. Misnism means it is the root words are miso plus neos. Neos is standing for new things. So misnism will be the hatred for novelty or innovation. So just by seeing the word itself, you can form the meaning. So neo is something new. So misnism will be hatred of novelty or innovation. Mythology. So logos, you already know, it stands for knowledge. So mythology will be hatred of knowledge or reason. Then gamia is standing for marriage. So misogamy will be marriage hater. Then misopedia. So pedia you already know. Pedia means pediatrician. You are very familiar with the word pediatrician. Pediatrician is a doctor who treats children. So misopedia will be the hatred for children. Now miscreant. Miscreant will be formed from the root words mis plus creant, and this creant is coming from the root word creer. It is a present participle of creer. So creder means to believe. In the next video we will be seeing many words from this root word: credos, creder, credulous, credibility. All these words we will be seeing in our forthcoming video. So this creer is originated from creder, which means to believe. So miscreant is a person who does not believe. So one who does not believe means he is not at all religious, or he is a villainous person. So miscreant, some of the synonyms will be villainous, detestable, vile, criminal, wrongdoer, evildoer. So how can you remember this? Creant is standing for belief, credulous, credibility, creer. From there you can remember like this. So creant is standing for believing. So miscreant will be a person who does not believe. He will be villainous person, evildoer, criminal, detestable, vile. Now misnomer. So nomer has something to do with name. So mis is also standing for wrong. Okay, mis is standing for wrong. So that is how wrong belief, or the one who does not believe, or wrong belief. So from that villainous, detestable, criminal, everything is coming. It is not similar to miso. Miso means to hate. Miso is coming from the root word misane, meaning to hate. So here we are going to learn about mis words. So mis means bad. So misnomer means bad name or the wrong name. Now since we had spoken about many negative words here, let's see one more negative word: callous. So callous is formed from the Latin word callosus, which means thick-skinned. So callous will be a person who is thick-skinned. So one person who is thick-skinned means he will be cruel, insensitive, uncaring, uncompassionate, cold-blooded, and heartless. So in this video we discussed about the miso words or the misine words, meaning to hate. So hatred of mankind, hatred of marriage, hatred of children. So all these words we saw. Then we saw two mis words too. MIS, which means wrong. So wrong name and wrong belief. So miscreant and misnomer we saw. Then another word which is also having a negative meaning, callous, and callous is coming from the root word callousness, which means thick-skinned. So a person who is thick-skinned will be cruel, uncompassionate, uncaring, cold-blooded, and heartless. Some of the antonyms of callous will be caring, merciful, sensitive, sympathetic, tender. Thank you.